Namaskar. In Indian home, after every meal, you must have seen that some elders chew fennel seeds, that is Sauf. It's not just for fresh breath. Sauf has a power to improve the digestion, cool your system, and bring a healthy glow to your skin. And today I'm going to tell you all about it and how to make Sauf water. Let us first look at digestion. These days, many people have bloating, acidity, heaviness, or irregular bowel movements. We take it as normal. But actually, it's your body's way of asking your help. And here, fennel seed can really help you because they contain a natural compound called as anethole and estragole. These are really helpful to relax the muscles of your intestine, reduce spasms, allows food to move freely. They also encourage your body to relieve digestive enzymes, so food breaks down better. Nutrients are absorbed very easily and your stomach feels very light. When your gut is happy, energy flows better and even your mind feels calmer. Now all about your skin. Many of us believe skin problems must be treated only from the outside, but most skin concern, whether acne, dullness or early wrinkles, all begins inside. When the digestion is poor, toxins build up and circulate in your blood. This shows on your face as breakouts, even puffiness or tired looking skin. Sauf water cools down the excess pitta, gently cleanses your liver and purifies your blood. Over time, this inner cleansing reflects outward. Acne settles down and your skin looks calmer. Skin looks hydrated and fresh. Fennel is also rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and quercetin, which slows down the effect of aging. So how do we prepare this Sauf water? It's very simple. Slightly crush 1 tablespoon of fennel seed, soak them overnight in a glass of water and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. This version is cooling, light, and excellent for acidity. Another way is to boil fennel seed in water for 5 to 7 minutes. Let it cool and then you can sip throughout the day. It is useful if your digestion feels sluggish or if you often feel cold. You can also make small variations like adding a few mint leaves while soaking. It gives an extra cooling if you are facing from acidity. For poor digestion, slow digestion, add a pinch of cumin seeds along with the fennel seeds. This lightens your digestive fire or jataragni. In summer, add a couple of rose petals or a drop of rose water. This will balance any heat-related skin trouble. But please remember to take this water in moderation. 1 to 2 glasses per day are enough. This is not a replacement for meals or water, but just as a gentle support for your system. The real benefit comes with consistency. In just a few weeks, you will notice lighter digestion, less bloating, better control of acidity, and the skin that looks naturally bright. So make it a daily ritual. And each time you drink it, remind yourself that nature has already given us a medicine. We only have to use it with the right awareness. Sometimes healing begins not in the hospital, but in the habits you practice every single day. Namaskar.